This is Brian Boyce from TreadmillReview.net, and what we're watching here is the delivery team coming to assemble my new NordicTrack T Series 10 treadmill. If you're familiar with the NordicTrack band, you may remember the EXP 10i and 7i, and this T Series 10 reminds me a lot of that. What we watch here is the assembly, and all totaled it took about 30 minutes for 3 of these delivery professionals to assemble it. And as I've said in the past, you can assemble one yourself. As you watch the video, it's not exactly rocket science, but the unit is fairly heavy. It's about 250 pounds, and most of that's in the deck and the motor at the top, so you'll definitely want some assistance. It does help to know what you're doing. As you'll see in the video, there is a tool pack that comes with it, so you'll have everything you need. The NordicTrack, this model, this T Series 10, has a 10-inch tilting screen, 3.0 continuous horsepower motor, 12% incline, and a 20 by 60 inch belt. So it's a great little unit, goes up to 12 miles an hour, and it's perfect for running, walking, or jogging. Again, as you watch, it takes them about 30 minutes to assemble this, and I'm always really impressed with NordicTrack and their delivery team. I've never had a problem with those folks yet because I test them in my homes. They often assemble them. I have assembled treadmills myself. I can tell you, if you're going to do it, get 2 or 3 of your friends together to make it a little bit easier.